Guys, so it's clear. My phone is gone. We did everything we can, but yeah, no result. But yeah, I'm actually gonna repair it today, I think. Let's hope. So please smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you.